Hi lovelies, today I'm going to show you the MelodySusie HPro Dust Collector, which they very kindly sent me through, which is a godsend because I've kept complaining about mine for ages. It's too noisy and too big on my desk. So this is the lovely round one if you've seen it, and I've picked it in white. So I'm just going to unbox it and we'll give it a try. I've got some nail tips out, so we'll give it a try and see how it's performing. Oh, that was easy, wasn't it? Right, the HPro is a round version of the extractor fan, and it looks to me, from what I can see, that it's got the same overall fan area, but a smaller casing, which is great on your desk. Look at these boxes, aren't they? Well, I'll keep these for packaging and posting stuff. Power's under there, on off button to turn on the device. Choose power settings, that's easy enough. So that's that. So I have got the UK adapter. So you choose which, UK or Euro or whatever. Oh, that's fab. Oh, that's such a nice size. Right, so I've got it all out of the box. Your filters are easy to change. You just lift that up and lift your tab up, and that's your filter. So read your instructions on cleaning that and things. That's a lovely size. Nice. So mains is there. So it's quite a nice long lead actually. So that needs to go into my UK adapter. There we go. So we've got an on and off and then 3 different speeds. So it's automatically on the lowest. Crikey, there's some right draft coming out of there. That's good. I wonder if you can hold this booklet. Oh no, it's see if you can hold this booklet up. Yes. Oh, on adjust. But that's only on 1. So on 2. And 3. Right, I've got a couple of nail tips, so we're going to try it. I've got a couple of nail tips here from when I was playing. It's got some polygel on it as well as gel polish, and I'm going to see how much mess we make. And use this comb for half of this. Lean forward, yeah. So all that muck all of that. Scrape that up. So all that landing. Goodness me. And I'm going to do the other half with the fan on. I bet you any money this can't pick that up. Let's have a go. Look at that. That's just picked it up off the ground. Don't touch it with your fan on, but I'm going to do it from 1 to start, and then 2 and 3, and we'll see if it collects everything. So, let's scrape up. I don't think there's actually anything. That's a bit that flew away. Right, so I'm just scraping up. And that's all there is. That's all there is on my table. And the rest of it is in here. So look at all that debris that you could be breathing in. Yeah. Oh, me having bad lungs, honestly. This is a godsend. And you really need to invest in an extractor fan if you're doing any sort of filing. That's incredible. Look at it all. So thank you very much, MelodySusie, for sending me this through. And I absolutely love it. You'll be seeing more of it, 'cause it's going to be my go-to extractor fan. I can dump my little old one now. So thanks, MelodySusie. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll come back and do a design for you next. I've got some lovely MelodySusie polishers, so yeah, I'll do that for you, and I'll see you soon. Love you loads. Bye.